Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over what we as AWS customers and AWS are responsible for when it comes to S3. AWS is responsible for the global infrastructure that maintains everything surrounding the S3 service, like the physical security, the availability, and the durability of the service. AWS is also responsible for the configuration and vulnerability analysis of the S3 service. This in turn will help them maintain compliance validation with third-party auditors like the System and Organization Controls or SOC, the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard or PCI DSS, and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act or HIPAA, and FedRAMP, which is the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program. You, as the AWS customer, are responsible for leveraging the features that S3 has to offer, like the replication to replicate your data to other regions, using data encryption at rest or in transit to make sure your data is safely encrypted, using versioning in S3 buckets to keep the different versions of your data in the bucket, using logging and monitoring to see what is happening with your data. You're also responsible for choosing the right S3 class for your individual storage needs. And finally, you are responsible for your bucket policies that help secure and authorize the right individuals so they can access your data. I hope in this video you learned a little more about what you and AWS are responsible for. I'll see you in the next video.